Have you ever wondered how fresh potatoes grown in the fields end up as delicious dishes on your dining table? Today, let's explore this fascinating journey together. The process begins in the fields. Modern harvesting machines efficiently gather potatoes in no time. Right after the potatoes are dug up, the soil removal system gets to work, eliminating dirt, leaves, and other impurities. This not only ensures cleaner potatoes, but also lightens the load for subsequent processing steps. Conveyor belts act like diligent transporters, gently moving each potato from the soil to storage bins or trucks. With carefully adjusted speeds, the conveyor belts ensure the potatoes remain undamaged throughout their journey. The flexible mounting system allows tractors to quickly switch between attachments, optimizing working time and minimizing investment costs in machinery. Specialized trucks equipped with soft protective padding ensure that the potatoes remain intact during transportation, even on rough roads. After harvest, the potatoes are transported to the warehouse equipped with advanced storage systems. Here, they undergo a meticulous sorting process, from removing those that do not meet quality standards to grouping them by size, ensuring that every potato meets the highest standards. The storage facility is not only a place for preservation, but also a safe home for the potatoes, with temperature and humidity carefully controlled. This is a crucial step in maintaining freshness and quality before the potatoes are processed or distributed to the market. Bagged potato processing. First, the potatoes are brought into the production line through an automated conveyor system. In this step, all impurities such as soil, stones, or foreign objects are removed, preparing them for the next stage of processing. Next, the potatoes are cleaned using a specialized washing system. Powerful spray nozzles combined with rotating brushes thoroughly remove any dirt on the surface, ensuring the potatoes are clean before peeling. After being cleaned, the potatoes are transferred to an automatic peeling machine. With advanced technology, the skins are removed quickly and precisely, preserving the perfect potato flesh inside. At this stage, some production lines include a manual inspection process where workers remove potatoes that do not meet quality standards or have defects. This ensures the quality of the product before slicing. The potatoes are now cut into the required shapes, such as thin slices, long strips, or cubes. The automated cutting system ensures that each piece is uniform and visually appealing, ready for the next processing steps. After cutting, the potatoes are washed again to remove excess starch. This step prevents the pieces from sticking together and helps maintain their freshness and quality. Some production lines blanch the potatoes, partially cooking them to increase durability and prepare them for frying, drying, or packaging later. Finally, the potatoes are packed into various types of bags as required, ensuring the packaging is secure and hygienic. The finished products are then sent to storage or transported to factories and supermarkets. The next video will cover the process of producing potato chips at the Mike Sells factory. It all starts with selecting high-quality potatoes. They are thoroughly inspected to ensure there are no blemishes or defects. Only fresh, standard quality potatoes are used in the production process. Once the potatoes are selected, they are transferred to an automatic washing machine. This system uses powerful spray nozzles and rotating brushes to remove dirt, soil, stones, and any impurities on the potato surface, ensuring the product is clean before moving on to the next step. After peeling, the potatoes are transferred to a slicer to create evenly thin slices. These slices are crucial as they will determine the crispiness of the potato chips once they are cooked. The potato slices, after being cleaned, are then placed in hot oil to fry until crispy. The frying process is closely controlled in terms of temperature and time to ensure the chips are neither overcooked nor soggy. This results in golden, crispy, and fragrant potato chips. After frying, the potato chips are passed through a seasoning spray system. This is where they receive their signature coatings, from simple salt to special flavors like cheese, garlic onion, or chili lemon. Each flavor is carefully selected to provide variety and appeal to the product. Finally, the potato chips are automatically packaged into sturdy bags, keeping the product fresh and crispy. These bags are then sent to storage for preservation or transported to stores for distribution to consumers. The packaging process also includes labeling, ensuring each bag meets quality and regulatory standards. The finished products are carefully handled to maintain their freshness and flavor until they reach the shelves. The next video will feature a carrot processing plant. Before the carrots are sent to the sorting and cutting line, they all start with the harvesting process. With the help of modern carrot harvesters, this task has become faster and more efficient than ever. The harvesters are specially designed to dig the carrots from the ground without damaging the product. These machines use a conveyor system and sharp cutting blades to harvest and transport the carrots onto the conveyor belt, bringing fresh carrots into the processing line immediately. This advanced technology not only saves time and labor, but also helps protect the crops from damage, preserving the quality of the carrots from the field to the processing plant. Thanks to the combination of advanced harvesting machines and automated processing systems, we can ensure that the carrots are always harvested and processed optimally, resulting in fresh and high-quality products. After the carrots are brought to the plant, the first step is sorting. Fresh carrots are placed on the conveyor system and passed through automatic sorting machines. Carrots that do not meet the required size and quality standards are removed, ensuring that only the best carrots proceed to the next stages of processing. After sorting, the carrots are washed using a system of spray nozzles and rotating brushes to remove dirt and impurities from the surface. This cleaning process ensures that the final product is always fresh and hygienic. After the carrots are washed and sorted by size, the next step is a thorough inspection to remove any carrots that do not meet quality standards. Some carrots may be damaged, cracked, or have other defects, and these will be discarded to ensure only the best ones proceed to the next stage of processing. This process is carried out by an automated inspection system and workers to identify carrots that don't meet the requirements. Any carrot showing signs of damage, bruising, or a dry core will be removed immediately. Removing the damaged carrots ensures the quality of the final product, preventing defects from spreading to other carrots in the production line, which ultimately results in clean and fresh products for consumers. Thanks to this advanced technology, we can easily retain only the quality carrots, ensuring that the products remain fresh and appealing. Next, the carrots are transferred to a cutting machine to create various shapes such as thin slices, strips, or cubes. The cutting machine uses advanced technology to ensure each carrot piece is uniform and precise, ready for the next processing steps. After cutting, the carrots undergo a final inspection through a system of cameras and sensors to ensure quality. The carrots are then automatically packaged and prepared for transportation to factories or supermarkets.